Okay, here we go. We'll put a little light on it here. The wires are all tinned on the end, ready to go into the flight controller. Turn the light off. There we go, the flight controller. The wires are ready. Now to solder it up. Be back in a minute. Okay. There it is, all soldered up. Nothing touching, it's all good. The other side. We'll get her here. I kept the wires as short as I could so that... There it is. All the VTX and camera wires are all soldered on. She's all ready. Now I can put the flight controller inside the frame and start setting her up in beta flight. I've already got her bound to the transmitters, so that's the worst part done. Once I get her in beta flight and maybe some Microheli to change direction of motors, and she'd be a good little flyer. And notice the name, Beta FPV, of course. Alright, just a minute, I'll be right back. There it is. You can see there's a little standoff here and a little standoff here where it pops in. There are screw holes you can put screws in, these two spots, to help hold it, but the 3D printing of the part is pretty strong. I don't think there's any screws needed. I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to drop her down. But now I can drop her down, put those final two screws in the front, plug the motors in, and she'll be ready to go. Check this out, 65mm. My heavens, that's going to be fun. And I put the little piece of zip tie holding the VTX, and I left so that the wire for the flight controller antenna can be put on. I'll shrink tube it a little bit on here, shrink tube this to it. Bam, there's my antenna. Yeah, I'll button her up and I'll be right back. Alright, there she is, finished product. Turn that off. You can see the lights blinking. She's powered up, everything's good. And then, hi, I got video, camera's working. So it won't be long now and I'll be flying her. She's ready. I like it. Like, there's my finger, and there's the size of it. It is small. But for having the Meteor 65 in it, I think it's gonna go pretty quick for the size. Light. I almost think it's lighter than a Whoop. But there it is, guys. There's the build. Thanks for watching.